Hi, today we're going to talk about the filters in Excel. So, when working with Excel, we have to deal with tables with a lot of data, and filters are very useful. And every Excel user should at least learn how to use the filters. It's one of the functions that should be essential for every Excel user. I'm going to show you various ways to two ways to activate the filters, and then I'm going to show you how to use them. So, first way to activate the filters, it's not the one I use, but it's an option. You can click on any cell, go to Insert Table, check that the table contains all your values and headers, and you'll see that Excel creates automatically a table with the filters. Okay, as I said, it's not the option I choose, but it's one we can use. So I'm going to undo this and go back. The other option to use filters is you can either click on any cell, or I like to select the row I want to use the filters with, not because it's essential, but I like to do it. And then we can either go to Data, Filter, okay, and that inserts the filters here. I am going to undo that. Or the other option is selecting your headers or clicking on any cell. As I said, it works both ways. When we're in the home, we select sort and filter. Okay, and you'll see that we have these arrows which shows that we use in the filters. Okay, so now we have our filters activated. How do we use them? Let's take a look. Obviously, we can have either numbers or text in our cells. Okay, and you'll see that the options are different if we have numbers or cells. So let's check at this column which has numbers. If we click on the arrow, the first thing that we see on our filters first are the sorting option. We can sort from smallest to largest, largest to smaller, and as you'll see, if we click on it, we'll show a small arrow beside the filters saying that we've activated it and which sort of filter we've activated. Okay, so we can do both ways. Okay, um, if we want to undo this, we can go to filter and clear, and we have cleared our filter. Okay, if it's text we'll have sort from A to Z and from Z to A. Okay, and you'll see that we have this here, or we can sort that way. Okay, and we can undo it in the same button. Okay, so another option that not many people know is that we can also sort by color. So if we change the color of certain cells, for example, if we choose this one's as green, and we select that cell, in sort by color, it will detect automatically the color you've selected, and you can either sort by fill or no fill. Okay, so we can first use the ones that are filled or the ones that are not filled, and that will sort by that option. Okay, again, if we want to clear it, go here and clear. Okay, I'm going to clear the filling option, and let's go back. Yeah. Okay, so that's the sorting. Uh, Now let's look at the rest of the filters. So let's go back again to the numbers. If we go to the numbers, we have and we look at the bottom here, we'll see that we have all the options. That works for text also. We have all the options that we have in the cells, and we can either select all or unselect all and just select an option. For example, let's look at this column. If we want to select only the ones that are variable, we can click on variable and we'll select only the ones that are variable. If we want to select only the ones that are simple, we'll have that option. We can do this with various filters. We can select the ones that are simple, and then only the ones that are WUBELT, and we'll select that one. Okay. Again, we can clear each filter, go in there, and we can clear this filter here because this filter allows us to clear it here, or we can just click here and undo all the filters. Okay. We can also search for a value. Okay, and then we can use that and filter through that. Okay, so that's easy. Let's look at the next powerful option, which is uh, the number filter if we are in numbers, or the text filter if we are with a column that has text. Number filters has equals, does not equal, greater than, all the options that you would select: top 10, above average, below average. Okay. So for example, I could choose here all the ones that are less than 90. Okay. Okay, I've chosen the greatest number, so I'll clear that and use less than 70. Okay, so I'll use less than 70. And we can, as you see, even complicate that and add more filters here. Okay, that's it, less than 70. If this is text instead of number, the text filters are equals, does not equal, begins with, ends with, contains, or does not contain. So we can say it contains simple. So it will select both this ones and this ones, which because it contains filter, simple. Okay. And the most powerful option is that if we don't have any filter that we like, we can go to the custom filter. And then we can select equals as any combination and any number of options that we want. And we can really complicate this and have various options. Okay, so this is how we use the filters, very easy. Remember that in sorting we could also select the custom sort and then add the level, but that's an option for another video. Filters, it's really easy, and hope it helps.